Okay, so here we go with number 5. It's about a space shuttle going around the Earth, and since it's accelerating, we have v squared over r. So what are we going to use for the radius? You might be tempted to use this 400 kilometers, but that's the distance above the Earth. To find the radius, what we have to do is actually add the height of the satellite, which is 400 kilometers, to the radius of the Earth, because we want the distance from the center of the circle. So we add those two values together. And the 400 kilometers plus the 6.38 times 10 to the 6 meters, which is the radius of the Earth, and we get 6.78 times 10 to the 6 meters. So we bring that over into our equation and we substitute that in for the radius. So the next thing is, how do we find the velocity? Well, remember that velocity is going to be the same as speed. And what is speed equal to? Speed's equal to distance over time. What's the distance that the satellite travels during the 90 minutes? Well, that distance is the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. So we divide that by the 90 minutes, and we substitute in the value for the radius that we calculated earlier. And then we convert 1 minute is 60 seconds. And we put all those numbers together, and we find out that the velocity of the ship is actually 7,884 meters per second. So we put that back in for v in our equation. And then we crunch the numbers, and we find out the acceleration of the space shuttle is 9.16 meters per second squared.